Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza easy at home, only way. Preheat the oven to its highest safe temperature and make a simple dough with warm water, yeast, flour, salt, and olive oil. Then let it rest until puffed. Stretch the dough gently, add a light layer of sauce, cheese, and desired toppings, and bake quickly for a crisp, bubbling crust that tastes like takeout. Warm and friendly tips make pizza dough painless. Use a 2-to-1 flour to water ratio and combine until just mixed, then knead about 5 to 7 minutes until smooth and elastic. Keep the rise short at room temperature when you need pizza tonight, or refrigerate for a slower ferment that boosts flavor. Either way, gentle handling yields a tender crumb and a crisp exterior you'll love. Think balance and heat for perfect toppings and bake. Apply sauce sparingly, distribute cheese evenly, and choose toppings that cook at similar rates. Preheat a pizza stone or an inverted baking sheet so the crust hits intense heat immediately, which produces char and crispness. Rotate the pizza if needed and finish with fresh basil or a drizzle of olive oil for brightness and aroma that elevates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.